Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google? Or that an average US citizen watches 186 online videos per month? The truth is, we don't watch TV like we used to. YouTube is replacing TV nowadays, as you can see in your daily life. But more importantly, you need to be aware of this fact if you want to promote your business in the most effective way with the lowest costs. You see, videos can be used to promote your products or services, to educate your customers, or to entertain them. However you use videos, they can bring more clients through your door. And if you're not using videos, then you're actually losing customers to the competitors who are using them. In the end, it doesn't matter what business you are in. You can benefit from using videos in your promotional campaigns. And the best part is that you don't need to write a huge check to promote your business through videos, as you do when advertising on TV. So, in your opinion, which type of video could help your business the most?